Game 1 was a movie. I'm going to tell you something right now, Lighten. If you lose this one, it's going to be over sooner than you realize, dog. The halves was good. With all due respect to Tampa Bay, y'all a good team too. Montreal just been different. We ain't going to do a lot of talking, man. We're going to hop right into it. I know this game going to be a good one. Good one. Let's go. Slavkovsky. That's that top line, baby. Come on, man. You know the names. There we go. I go. Come back. Come down and help him. Come down and help him. Okay. All right. There we go. Somebody come up with him. All right. Damn, nothing there. Sheesh. Oh.
Short side stopped by Vasilevsky. He got loose.
Oh, come in there.
Gets into his stick. A little quick up pass and
yeah, it couldn't do nothing about that. Yeah.
Inside route tried to get it on the 5-hole there. And back in it goes as Jack-Eye, who had a strong opening game.
Oh my God. That's a huge hit.
7.5 gone opening period.
All right.
Here's a shot to the net.
Shot. Oh, took it out of there.
Anderson looking for a rebound.
We needed that rebound right there. Get aggressive. Oh my. No skip. Broken stick. Yep. Hagel. No, don't let him get another shot there.
Why ain't no way, boy?
Wow.
Why ain't no way, boy?
Damn, that was tough. My God, he got crushed on the glass. No stick right there. Yep, he can't see anything, dog. Damn. It's all right, it's all right. It's all right. Y'all know how the Habs do, bro. Y'all know how they do. It's all right.
The Canadiens goal.
All right.
Was on their feet. Back that was the first shot of the goal.
We're gonna keep composure here, man. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna relax, brother. In the pack.
Vasilevsky. Hagel finds Kucherov, gets it across.
Okay.
Try and set up Radish, who just pokes it across, and now
kicks it out there.
Radish looks for Kucherov, firing it right off. Josh Anderson sends it around, and Hagel awaits.
Up to come to.
His point.
No.
It'll be Gensel behind the net.
Watch the pass in the middle here. In front of the net. Watch the front of the net.
Kucherov, who passed Mario Lemieux in.
Oh, get out. He squeezed it. Dobish. You see how he dropped? He was like, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the one. Rebound. Get in the front. Oh. Damn, that was a good chance. New hook couldn't get it.
Slavkovsky sends it across. Here's Suzuki.
Suzuki
gives it back. Suzuki.
All right. Shot. That's one. Power play. There we go. That's one, baby. Tie game. You see me? I'm chilling, baby. I'm trying to keep the composure early, man. Trying to keep it early. Yep. Get a shot. 100%. Oh, it does now? No. It went off right off his chest.
And, it just takes a while. That's what Marty was saying. It's not a straight
line.
It takes a little while. Their numbers very similar in their year 4.
All right, second period.
Had 50 and 105 points.
Oh, nice save by Vaseline. Another shot. Sheesh, 2-on-1. They dropped it. Dropped it off, man. That should have went in. That was beautiful.
Back outside the Canadiens line. Gergitsen on the ice.
Okay, okay. Bodies on the floor. Oh, we gotta get it back. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God! Look at Dobish. Look at Dobish. Get up, Dobish. Look at Dobish.
Behind the net. Against Gord. Anderson in and Evans tying up Lilleberg.
Ooh. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Anderson's been good, bro. Anderson's been good. It's all about the... I love it. Oh, we in the third? I guess that's the only thing that happened in the second. Okay, third period. There we go. Remember my bracket. Just remember. Hudson trying to crash it. Passing him. Caulfield side. Pass him. Oh, nice hesitation. Oh, rebound. Oh, they moved the net. They couldn't blow the whistle. Knocked it. Who knocked it? That's gotta be.
Just gets him a little bit too far in his front foot, can't get a hold of it. And at the other
he pushed him into the net. Come on, you can't do that.
Turning it in. Hagel looked across. That's broken up by Caulfield. Slavkovsky. That's intercepted. Here's Hagel.
No, what's the right about? Oh, he got it. Fuck, it's the bounce. I didn't like the play before that. It messed up the momentum. You push him into the net moved, they blew the whistle. That killed that play right there, man. Killed it. Sheesh. You got to remember, Tampa Bay is good, so every opportunity matters. Every opportunity matters. That was quick, but that's Kucherov. That was real quick. I almost didn't see it. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. And Caulfield couldn't keep up. Look at that. All right. Oh, right off the right post. Hudson. Oh my God. Where direction is going. It hits off the... Okay, got you. On the glove. We're going to OT, bro. Oh, back to back. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You gotta get this win.
So it's Suzuki, Slavkovsky, Caulfield out against
Cirelli,
Hagel, who has a Gordie Howe hat trick tonight.
No, I didn't even know that. The Gordie Howe hat trick. Slop. Let me sit up. Shots. One, get back. Protect the middle. Oh, he's dropping off. Oh, get that. No. Dobish, thank the Lord. Huge stop, brother. Look at this cross right here. Drop it off. It didn't work, though. It didn't work. That was nice, though. Woo.
Tough play for Montreal. 61% of the draws game 1. Tampa Bay 51% of the draws in game 2. And a big one there by Cirelli.
Don't let Cirelli skid around.
series.
Wow. What? Tampa Bay, I got it. Wow.
His own hands, just a beautiful win here, a little pick
Look
there
at that. Nice pick. Came around. Radish, and Radish was right there.
And then you've got his defensive partner in Radish setting
Yeah, Radish set that up.
the pick for him on the other side. Watch the rotation.
Look at this. This is a design play right here.
Moser, the second defense.
The second defense, yeah.
And an absolute bullet of a shot off the post.
Tampa Bay, bro. Shout out to y'all. Oh, this is going to be a dog fight. This is going to be crazy. This series is going to be crazy, man. I see y'all game 3.